Hello again guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to be offline on WhatsApp. First, just open your WhatsApp application and make sure that you are registered or signed in to your WhatsApp account. Then after that, as you see on the screen, there are three dots here on the upper right corner. Just tap these three dots and choose from this option, settings. And from here, just choose privacy. And here in who can see my personal info, choose this last seen and online. Let's tap this, and who can see my last seen, just tap this nobody. Okay, that's it guys on how to be offline on WhatsApp. If you think that this video helps you, then keep following and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys.